Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fiat 500 Bluetooth. First, ensure your car's ignition is on and the radio is active. Locate the main or Windows button, usually on your steering wheel or stereo. Press it, then use the controls to navigate to settings. From there, select the user pairing option to begin the process. Now, let's prepare your mobile phone. Go into your phone settings menu. Find the Bluetooth option and turn it on. It's important to make sure your phone is discoverable so your Fiat can find it. Your phone will then automatically begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, including your car's system. Once your phone finds available devices, select Blue and Me from the list. Immediately, a unique 4-digit PIN will be shown on your car's dashboard display. Carefully enter this exact number into your mobile phone when prompted. This step confirms the secure connection between your phone and your Fiat's hands-free system, completing the pairing process. After entering the PIN, your car's system will confirm that the connection is successful. You might be asked if you wish to copy your phone's contacts to the car. Choose yes or no based on your preference. Finally, test the connection by making a quick call or playing some audio to ensure everything is working perfectly. Enjoy your hands-free experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.